Alzheimer's disease is the most common cause of dementia in the elderly population. Disease usually manifests with insidious onset of the impaired higher intellectual functions and altered mood and behavior, and it progresses to disorientation, memory loss, and aphasia. These are indications of severe cortical dysfunction, and over another 5 to 10 years, patient becomes disabled, mute, and immobile, and death usually occurs due to intercurrent pneumonia and other infections. Age is the most important risk factor. Incidence is 3% in persons 65 to 74 years of age and is 19% in persons 75 to 84 years old, and incidence is 47% in persons older than 84 years. Most cases of Alzheimer's disease are sporadic, but 5 to 10% cases are familial. Now, pathogenesis of the Alzheimer's disease. Normally, healthy neurons have an internal support structure partly made of structures called microtubules. These microtubules act like tracks, guiding nutrients and molecules from body of the cells down to the ends of axon and back. A special kind of protein called tau protein binds to the microtubules and stabilizes them. In Alzheimer's disease, tau protein is changed chemically. It begins to pair with other threads of the tau, which becomes tangled together. When this happens, microtubules disintegrate, collapsing the neuron's transport system. The formation of these neurofibrillary tangles may result first in malfunction in the communication between neurons and later in the death of the cell. In addition to neurofibrillary tangles, the anatomic pathology of the Alzheimer's disease includes senile plaques at the microscopic level and cerebrocortical atrophy at macroscopic level. Study of the familial forms of Alzheimer's disease supports a model in which a peptide called beta amyloid or A-beta accumulates in the brain over time, initiating a chain of events, as shown in this diagram, that result in Alzheimer's disease. Beta amyloid is created when the transmembrane protein amyloid precursor protein or APP is cleaved by the enzymes beta amyloid converting enzymes and gamma secretase enzyme. The amyloid precursor protein gene is located on the chromosome 21, and the risk of Alzheimer's disease also is higher in those with an extra copy of APP gene, such as patients with trisomy 21 Down syndrome. The other major genetic risk factor is a variant of apolipoprotein E called E4. Each ApoE4 allele that is present increases the risk of Alzheimer's disease by approximately fourfold and also lowers the age of onset. Its mechanism is unknown. Now, morphology of the Alzheimer's disease. Macroscopic examination of the brain shows a variable degree of cortical atrophy, widening of the cerebral sulci, and compensating ventricular enlargement as shown in this diagram. At microscopic level, Alzheimer's disease is diagnosed by the presence of plaques which are extracellular and neurofibrillary tangles which are intracellular. Silver staining or immunohistochemistry methods are extremely helpful in assessing the true renal burden. Neuritic plaques are focal spherical collections of tortuous and dilated silver staining neuritic processes, often around a central amyloid core. The size range is from 20 to 200 micrometer in diameter. Microglial cells and reactive astrocytes are present at periphery. Amyloid core contain beta amyloid protein. Neurofibrillary tangles are bundles of paired helical filaments visible as basophilic fibrillary structures in cytoplasm of the neurons. They can persist after neurons die. Commonly found in cortical neurons, these tangles are not specific to Alzheimer's disease, being found in other degenerative diseases as well.